Hey, good morning, Arnold from Slow Foot Runner. So approaching na po tayo sa bagong highest point ng Philippine highway system. So just a few more kilometers ay touchdown na po tayo dun sa marker. So this is also a recon, although on mobile, para makita natin ang actual na road condition going to Tinok highest point. So at this point nasa Bugyas na po tayo, nasa Ifugao na po tayo, province of Ifugao, and may areas lang po na hindi or rather damaged by weather, but generally the road is well paved and safe for traveling. Okay, so we're just going to pass alongside the mossy forest na sinasabi nila. So malapit na po tayo sa summit. So one of the last climbs towards the marker, and our finish line for the first Baguio to Tinok highest point 100 kilometer ultramarathon. So it's April 4 and 5. Okay, pause ko muna and then I'll resume the video once approaching na po tayo sa marker.